Okay guys, so today I'm gonna clay bar this car. I just washed it and I've heard that clay barring makes a huge difference. Now we're gonna see if that is true on this car. Like I said, I've always just washed and waxed cars and put protectants on it, but I picked up this kit from Meguiar's. Mother's makes one. There's a lot of different companies that make it, but I'm curious because when I rub my hand on this finish, it feels a little on the rough side. You can tell there's something on it, and it's a brand new car, of course. But people swear by this stuff, so I thought I'd give it a shot. I've clay barred a car a long time ago that I had, and I can't really remember if I was amazed by it or not, but I wanted to give it another shot and see really what it does and what the hype's about, because people say it's the best thing to use in order to get the perfect finish. So when I rub my hand on it, you can feel there's something there. And like I said, it's just washed, been cleaned. So let's go ahead and get started and see the results we get. Okay, so with this kit, you get 3 60-gram bars. You get the detailer spray and the microfiber towel. Now this is a necessity. You need the spray to use this product. So pretty much what you do, you spray a panel at a time, a small section. So if you do the hood, I break that down into like 3 sections. You spray it, and then you rub the clay back and forth. Don't do circular motions, do back and forth. So what I did here with the bar, I split it into 2. So here's 1 bar, and I cut it in half. Okay, and then you flatten it out like this. And 1 bar is enough to do the whole car. So you're not going to need the other 2 for this car, but so you flatten the clay bar out. Okay, the key is the spray. So you want a lot of spray on it, because that's what's going to help it pull and not damage the car. So I'm just going to do this little panel here, spray it really well. Okay, now you take your clay that you flattened out, and this is half the bar again, so this is about 30 grams. Back and forth. Leave it flat on the car, back and forth. Don't do circular motions. That's all you do. And I keep going over a section until it glides smoothly. It takes maybe 2-3 passes back and forth, and then it glides smoothly, and then you just go to the next section. Back and forth. And it's all about fill with this. You know, if you have older paint, it's going to take a little bit longer. But this, when I first put it on, the first couple passes, it's grippy. Then you go over it again, and it's smooth. So this is like amazing to me. Check that out. This car was just washed and dried, and it looked clean. As you guys see, it looks really clean, right? This is all the pollen and stuff that's pulling from the clear coat that washing will never get. So if you simply wash your car and then you put a wax on top of it, you're just sealing all this stuff in. So the finish isn't going to be as good as it can look. So I'm just going to once over again. And like I said, look at that. And then when it's dirty like that, fold it over, flatten it out again, and move on. Then you take your microfiber towel here and just dry the section. And I can tell you, it is a huge difference. It's like glass. Super smooth. It's so crazy how it works. Even the towel glides so smooth on it. It almost feels like you just waxed it as far as the slickness goes. Huge difference. I couldn't believe it. Like, I always thought that was normal, like when you fill the paint, like it's not perfect, you know, it's just a factory job. It's going to feel like that, but that's not true. Like, I clay barred this section and it's like glass. I'm blown away by it, and you saw what came off on the clay bar on that one section after I just washed it. So then I'll do that section. So I'll actually do it in fourths here, the hood. So that's kind of You don't want to go bigger than that just because it'll start drying on you. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the entire car. Okay guys, so I did the entire car. Check this out. These are the 2 pieces of the clay bar that I had. And I folded them over numerous times. Pulled so much stuff off, and I can't believe it, on a new car. They always say that the paint has like there's fallout in it. There's shavings. There's all kinds of stuff in factory paint. I believe it now. I never really believed it as much before, but now after doing this, I would recommend clay barring to anybody. I always thought, oh, you bought a new car, you don't need to. That's not true. This is a new car, and look all the junk that it pulled out of the clear coat. I mean, it gives it a deeper look even. I can't really explain that too much on a video, and you can't really see it as much, but trust me, go get yourself a clay bar kit, wash your car, clay bar it, and see what you get out of the clay. I think you'll be shocked. And now it's the perfect platform to put a wax on or polish on top of this. And I heard when you do that too, all the material you use, like if a wax, whatever you use, will, like this stuff I'm going to use on this next, will glide a lot easier on this because it's a nice smooth surface, so it goes a lot further. And you have to use a wax after you're done with this because it does strip all that off too. So know that. You'll want to definitely protect it after you do all this. But you have 2 brand new bars left. Do some more cars. It's $20 for this set. The quick detailer is about halfway, so you do another car with it. And you can buy the quick detailer for about $9. Just pick up some more. I'd highly recommend it. I'm blown away by it. I really am. I can't stress that enough. So if you want the ultimate protection for your car, definitely give it a shot. Let me know if you've done that before and what your thoughts on it are, but I don't know how you could say anything negative about it because it works that good. It really does. And then anything you put on top of it, even if you ceramic coat it, you definitely have to do something like that first anyway. And I heard they do. They compound it and all whatever they do to it. But it's definitely the first thing you should do when you get a car. So anything you do on top of that will look that much better. The wax will protect better. The shine, the depthness to the paint it improves all that. So I highly recommend doing a clay bar on your car. If you need help, reach out to me. I'll get right back to you. Help you out when I can. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's having a great day. I'll have another video posted very shortly. So check back, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks, everybody.